Hi, welcome to the Blue Hub YouTube channel. I'm Joe, I'm one of the product specialists here, and today I'm going to be running through the ship theory integration and how to manage exports when coming out of the UK or anything where you need a commodity code or a commodity description. It's going to be a very quick video and it's just going to outline exactly where to put this information in and then how that information is pushed through into ship theory. So first things first is you want to get your ship theory account connected into Cin7 and you want to make sure all of your products are loaded into Cin7 as well. From here we can go into integration. From our integration page we can go into my integrations and then we can go into ship theory. Once this page loads, we can go into the section on the left hand side called catalog. From here this is going to be a full export of all of your information that exists inside of Cin7 Core. None of this data will be inside of ship theory as of yet. What we can do from this page is we can click export. From our exports, you'll have an Excel file which will get exported out. This is CSV, so please refer to one of the previous videos on how to import CSVs into Excel to avoid any data being manipulated incorrectly. Once you've opened up that Excel file, add in your commodity description and your commodity composition. Once that data has been added in, you can come into the import and re-import that data back into Cin7. Once that data has been imported back, every time you are processing a shipment inside of Cin7 Core and have it pushed through into ship theory, whether this is on an individual level, whether this is on a bulk export, that product information is going to be pushed through every single time. So if an update happens or if something changes or if it's the first time for that product to be pushed over, that data is going to be sent over into ship theory. From ship theory you can do rules and you can do documentation based on this data. So if you need export documentation that needs to have your commodity composition and your commodity description, that information can be put onto that PDF and onto that label so it can correctly go through the correct channels when it's being shipped abroad. If you have any questions around how this works or how to manage it on the ship theory side, please let us know and we could potentially do a video around how to manage it once it goes over onto there. But if there's any other questions around anything else, put them in the comments below and I'll speak to you soon.